Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale brand awareness with Buffer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start scaling brand awareness with Buffer, first, create an account at buffer.com. Once registered, connect your social media profiles to the Buffer dashboard. Choose the platforms that align best with your target audience. Next, familiarize yourself with Buffer's features, focusing on scheduling, analytics, and engagement tools. Begin by planning your content calendar to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Research and curate content that resonates with your audience's interests and needs. Use Buffer's scheduling tool to automate your posts for optimal times when your audience is most active. Create visually appealing graphics or videos for your posts to enhance engagement rates. Incorporate relevant hashtags to expand your reach within the social media platforms. Monitor engagement metrics using Buffer's analytics to understand which posts perform best. Identify key times when your audience engages most and adjust your posting schedule accordingly. Experiment with different types of content, such as polls, stories, and live videos, to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Leverage Buffer's team collaboration feature if you're working with multiple team members. Regularly review your analytics dashboard to track your growth and brand awareness. Conduct A/B testing on different content types to learn what works best for your brand. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your strategy as needed. Celebrate milestones and share user-generated content to build community and trust. Finally, refine your approach based on analytics, continually improving your brand awareness efforts with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.